Hello everyone! Today we delve into the world of DALL-E, an incredible innovation in the realm of AI. Without further ado, let's get started. As we open the interface, you'll notice a face that leads you to ChatGPT. What sets Dall E3 apart from its predecessor, Dall E2, is its significantly enhanced ability to capture details and nuances, enabling the translation of ideas into exceptionally accurate images. This feature alone distinguishes Dall E3 as a remarkable AI module. Now let's explore the creative potential of Dall E3. Here, we have an image of an avocado with text that adds depth to the picture, a feature that sets it apart from Dall E2. With Dall E3, you can seamlessly incorporate text into your images, enhancing their expressiveness. Now let's put it to the test. I provided a prompt: a cat running after stealing fish from a fisherman. The result: a captivating image of a black cat in hot pursuit, holding a fish, while the fisherman chases after it. This level of creative control empowers you to bring any concept to life with ease. Next, I requested an image of a cat in Arabic attire. The outcome is a charming cat, exquisitely dressed. Is truly astounding. Let's explore more prompts. A cat as an astronaut flying in space. Behold, an adorable image of a cat embarking on an interstellar adventure. You can simply click the Generate button to get a new image if desired. I provided another prompt: a playful retriever with excited ears and wagging tail. The result: two delightful images of a playful golden retriever in a sunlit garden. These images are copyright-free and incredibly versatile. We also explored a prompt for a cheerful man holding a cup of tea with a radiant smile. The outcome captures the essence of happiness. These copyright-free images can be used for various purposes, including commercial use. And lastly, we ventured into a chef's precise and confident vegetable chopping in a busy kitchen. The images portray expertise in action. All these images can be easily downloaded and put to creative use. By utilizing prompts like researcher in a lab conducting experiments, you can expand your collection of images effortlessly. In conclusion, Dall E3 offers limitless creative possibilities. I encourage you to give it a try and unlock your creative potential. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of Dall E3.